So hi Sham, let's start with your introduction first.
Myself, Shamal Ra. I'm a software developer in Motwani Industries right now. I'm a developer over there. My role is I have two products in my hand right now. It's a
Hmm.
product-based company. One is
Hmm.
baggage scanner. Maybe you have seen the baggage scanner that army persons and CRPF persons use to check the baggage,
Right,
bags
right.
and all on airports. We are manufacturing that product only, and
Got it. Got it.
we are upgrading it to the next level. Currently, I'm working on a project in which we can see the dual vision of the same bag from
Okay.
the two perspectives. We will see the
Hmm.
same bag's X-ray image. Okay,
Hmm.
and we are classifying them into different kinds of materials, what are metals,
Okay.
what are non-metals, and what are
Hmm.
inorganic metals, like that. So
Yeah.
we are using machine learning algorithms to
Hmm.
classify the objects based on their
Hmm.
intensities, X-ray
Got
level
it.
intensities. And then there is another product which I am working on right now. It's under vehicle surveillance systems, where security is very tight now. They carry a stick with a mirror to check whether
Okay.
there is a bomb or
Ah,
something under the vehicle or not. We are replacing that with a robot. Like we are using
okay.
cameras to
Hmm.
scan the image under the vehicle. Right.
Working on both the projects right now.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Like it seems so interesting. Amazing. So yeah, let's move ahead. So like what were the problems or the challenges you were facing in your early career that you decided to like let's upskill now and let's switch to the different company?
So my early career was completely in image processing, and it was low-level programming. You can
Yeah.
say that I have programmed C Sharp, C++, C.
Hmm. Hmm.
So that were the languages that I used, and
Okay.
there was nothing like machine learning. Like I didn't know about machine learning that much at that time.
Hmm.
Okay,
Right.
so I
Hmm.
used to develop write code.
Hmm.
Everything I used to hard code it or
Hmm.
code it. It's pretty hard to code everything,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
While
Hmm.
we use machine learning in deep learning, while we go to deep learning, the machine itself trains on itself. We don't
Exactly.
have to
Do it
code
manually.
everything, like write
Hmm.
everything there, and it is pretty fast compared to what we used to do at that
Okay.
time.
Hmm.
So yeah, they are also used in some of the applications, like where you don't have that much resources. You
Hmm.
have to go for the C sharp or C++ to like build a software which is
Hmm.
Windows oriented. You don't have any accessories to speed up the process and all. Like we used
Hmm.
to give the client now within 10 milliseconds. We used to give them the results. The product is good or not. I
Hmm.
used to work in a automation company
Hmm.
when I was in my early career. I
Early
used to
career.
work in a automation company.
Okay.
So that automation company used to
Hmm.
work for the clients, and
Hmm.
the clients were like they have to identify the products which are good or not.
Hmm.
They have to
Okay.
segregate the products. Okay.
Got it.
Currently, if they are asking me to solve it now, I'll solve
Hmm.
it using machine learning. I'll program a model which
Yeah.
using CNN, which will
Hmm.
like classify them based on the image that I'm getting. But
Got it.
during that time now, I used to like write code to
Hmm.
find the contours, find the object. There is something missing in the object or something like that. I used
So
to write.
everything was manual.
Everything was manual. Right now,
Okay.
I can by upskilling myself because
Hmm.
Python is mostly used in industry right now. At that time also, I knew that if I'm using C sharp, C++
Hmm.
everywhere, I have scope, but I can't leap towards the future using C++, C
Exactly.
sharp. I have to
Right.
like improve in Python also, and I
Hmm.
have to switch to machine learning, deep learning
Hmm.
to upskill myself.
Hmm.
At that time, I enrolled into Bosscoder, which
Okay.
helped me to like upskill in Python and all.
Basically, you wanted to do Python and like move towards machine learning. You were preparing for the future. Like there are more opportunities in machine learning and AI. Got it. Got it. That's perfect, Sham. So, like you have upskilled yourself, like you are upskilling yourself also. What is your review about Bosscoder's program overall?
Overall, I think Vasco's program is pretty balanced. Yeah, you will get perfect mentors. They will
Hmm.
solve everything, every doubt of yours. And the program is like there is someone who don't know anything about machine learning, data
Okay.
science, or anything.
Hmm.
Even he can like enroll in it, and he can
Okay.
upskill it. I
So
mean, they start from the basic and then
basics.
go to the level up.
So it is balanced. So your feedback about our mentors and instructors.
Mentors are very good. Yeah, I have like learned a lot from the mentors. Our
Hmm.
teachers also are very clear about what they are teaching. They've come well prepared that whatever questions we are raising to them, they answer
Hmm.
very quickly. They are pretty like knowledgeable person. Like I think they are sophisticated enough to answer every question of ours. There are like 30 students in every batch,
Exactly.
and they give each and every question's answer pretty clear. And we
Okay.
also understand everything.
So, one thing, like, there is one common misconception in the market that going through
Mm-hmm.
a program or following a roadmap is enough. What do you think that personal learning is important and personal
I think
consistency is important or not?
personal consistency is really important because even if you are enrolled in a platform,
Right.
they won't like spoon feed everything to you. You have to know that it is just for a support, that
Exactly.
you can get good network from it. You
Hmm.
can get a kind of a leverage of referrals and all to
Hmm.
like go to the next level, like have a new chance, like new opportunities in the good companies. We should have the discipline to like
Hmm.
learn everything that they are teaching, and
Yeah.
also look at the other pages and
Yeah.
read other things too and solve many questions, like to improve in yourself only.
Definitely, that is the most required when a person is enrolled or not even enrolled, if they are also doing free resources, upskilling
Mhm.
or from YouTube, they have to put in their personal effort. So my last question to you is not a question, basically, it's
Mhm.
advice or tips for working professionals who are currently upskilling or who are looking forward to upskill themselves in any area, in
Mhm.
data science, data engineering, or maybe software engineering. So any tip how they can upskill themselves with their current job?
I think with current job, they need a discipline to like sit daily and practice that they are like enrolled in. True to themselves
Hmm.
and sit daily and practice daily.
Okay, so daily efforts, consistency, and dedication is definitely important. I guess this tip will definitely help someone who is watching this video. So, yeah, thank you so much, Sham, for sharing about your journey and about how did you overcome the challenges, how did you upskill yourself. So, yeah, that
Mhm.
was great talking to you, and thanks for joining, Sam.